So I wanted to do a video to demonstrate how to derive the equation for calculating the volume when given the density and the mass. So we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. And so the easiest way to think about this equation is to set it up as two fractions, because a lot of times it's easier to cross multiply when you're trying to solve for an equation. So on the left side we simply have d. We can rewrite that and just say d over 1, because we know if we divide anything by 1, the value remains the same. And then I have m over v. And so from there we can cross multiply. And so when we cross multiply, we'll see that we end up with density times the volume is equal to the mass times 1. So technically we can ignore that 1 and we can just say that the density times the volume is equal to the mass. And so in order to solve for volume, I need volume by itself on the equation. Right now I have it multiplied by density. So I have to do the opposite of multiplying, which is to divide. And so when I divide it by the density, it's going to cancel out on the left side. But when I divide that left side by density, I have to do the same thing on the right side. But the right side, it doesn't cancel out. So what that leaves me with is that my volume is equal to the mass divided by the density. And so just in summary of those three different equations, you have density is equal to mass divided by volume. You have mass, which is equal to your density times your volume. And then you have your volume, which is equal to your mass divided by the density. So I hope this helps.